अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक वेरी पॉपुलर ट्रेंडिंग डिश, अरेबियन पुडिंग। With just a little change, I'm making Arabian Rose Pudding. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। For the pudding, I have taken 2 liters of milk. Remove 1.5 cups of milk to a bowl to mix the custard. Add 4 curry spoons of custard powder. I have taken vanilla flavor and add that and mix well and keep it aside. There should not be any lumps. Before adding, mix once and strain. Now let's wait for the milk to boil. We need bread to make this dessert. How many slices depends on the size of the container you have taken. Cut the sides of the bread and keep them aside. You can use the crust to make breadcrumbs. Cutlets बनाते वक्त काम आ जाएगा. I have cut this many slices. If you need more, we'll cut them later. Meanwhile, the milk has started to boil. Add the custard and stir continuously till it becomes thick. Now add 2 cups of sugar, depending on the sweetness you require. Mix well and switch off the flame. Now take half a liter of Amul fresh cream in a bowl. Add 2 curry spoons of condensed milk. This gives a very nice taste to the pudding. And since we are making Arabian rose pudding, let's add rooh afza to get the pink color. Add 4 to 5 curry spoons of rooh afza to the fresh cream and using a beater, beat well and keep aside. Now let's add 1.5 to 2 ladles of rooh afza to the custard as well to make it light pink. Stir and keep that aside. Now let's arrange the bread slices in our glass dish. First pour a layer of custard. Then arrange the bread slices. I have cut the bread slices into 2, but you can use whole. Arrange the bread slices. See that you fill all the gaps. Pour the custard over that. And then layer once again. Place slices of bread and pour the custard over it once again. The final layer should be of the fresh cream mixed with rooh afza and condensed milk. That should be a little darker shade than the custard. Spread the fresh cream. Garnish with slivered badam, pista and edible rose petals. I am using the edible dried rose petals. This is a final look. Keep the dish in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours for the dessert to set. I'm making more in another dish. This is very easy, quick to make, and you don't need that many ingredients. Layer like the earlier one. The final layer should be of fresh cream, condensed milk and rooh afza mix. Garnish with edible dried rose petals, slivered badam and pista, and leave it to set for 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. Do try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.